Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech and Data, and today I'm going to be reviewing the iPhone 16 series. The iPhone 16 series introduces some exciting upgrades while maintaining the overall feel of previous models. The iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Plus comes with a 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, respectively. While these displays are stunning, they still lack the 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate and always-on functionality, which remain exclusive to the Pro models. However, these devices excel in brightness, with peak levels reaching 2000 nits, making them highly usable in bright outdoor environments. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max feature a slightly larger screen compared to the predecessors, with 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch. That's so big, right? These Pro models bring in enhancements like the new camera control feature, offering tactile input options for zooming, shooting, and switching modes, ideal for users who rely on the iPhones for photography. Camera-wise, the Pro models come with significant upgrades, particularly for low-light photography. They hold up well against the competitors with Pixel and Pro, with Apple continuing to refine portrait shots and nightscape capabilities. However, some users have reported a slight tendency for blurriness while using a physical camera control button for taking shots, which may introduce more shake compared to traditional software shutters. The series also bring iOS 18, which includes new customization options, RCS messaging support, and features like multi-track recording. It is exclusive to the Pro models. And Apple Intelligence anticipated AI-driven tools are expected to roll with the iOS 18.1, which is going to be launched later in the 2024. In I would like to conclude with the base iPhone 16 offers the excellent performance and display quality. The Pro model stands out with the larger screen, advanced camera controls, additional software features aimed at creators and power users. The decision between models largely depends on whatever you need is Pro specific feature. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe, if you like the video, do comment which phone or laptop or devices you want us to review. My name is John. This is Tech Insider. Signing.